So it is a shirt. That's cute. It would be cute with jeans, I think. It's kind of up on my neck a little.
But it doesn't even cover your...
These are bathing suit bottoms, so...
Are they?
Yeah.
Okay.
So they're waterproof, that's cool.
Okay, so then that might be...
Like a beach setup.
Yeah, that they expect you, since it's just white bottoms.
Yeah.
If those are bathing, I thought those were panties, not a bathing suit.
I actually like it.
So that's a cover-up that they expect you to get a fancier, different colored bathing suit top
And
to
teal
finish
bottoms.
the bikini. Forest green
Forest green.
would look good. A dark brown, but not beige. Like a baby shit brown.
Oh, perfect. I love that.
Baby shit brown top with forest green pant, or forest green instead of white. That would be a great little
Yeah, I think so too.
bathing suit. I didn't know there was a bathing suit, but now that this outfit makes sense to me.
Yeah, I like how cheeky the bottoms are. This is cute.
Yeah, and it's got good coverage, but it goes up so high on your... How does it... The panties that you had to pull up high on your hips,
Yeah.
you didn't like. That's pretty high on your hips too. Are you...
I feel comfortable with this. I usually wear high-waisted stuff anyway. So stuff that hits my hips is pretty cool.
I thought that this shirt was going to be useless. When you turn to the side, it opened up completely. So outside of Instagram, that shirt needs a bikini top. But I can use what you're doing right now. It's just when you move too quick, I would have to edit. Because you're covered. It fits well. Do you like the shirt as well as the bottoms? And it looks nice. Easy access to the boots. It has to be a cover up to just make you feel more comfortable as you're driving to the beach.
It's not even that bad of a
It's
difference.
now that it's on you, but now that you have it on, it's either you or the designer actually knew what they were doing. It could just be anything that's good on you.